In this video, I'll be showing you how to install YouTube on a MacBook Air. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. But anyways, getting into it, it's super simple to go ahead and do this, and you can do this on any generation of MacBook Air that you have. So you're gonna have to use Safari for this. If you have different browsers like Brave, Google Chrome, anything like that, you can't do it on this directly. You got to do it on Safari. So all you want to do is go ahead and open up YouTube. So I'm just going to go and open up YouTube right now, just using Google. And now it's open, right? You can be signed in. You don't have to be though. It's up to you if you want to or not. But all you want to do is on the top left, go ahead and click on File. Then scroll down and you're going to see Add to Dock as one of the options. It's going to say Add to Dock right here. And it's going to have YouTube. And you can obviously change the file name if you want to. Then just go ahead and click add. It says an icon will be added to your dock and launchpad so you can quickly access this website. As you can see, mine is already there, but I'm just going to replace it right now. Then all I want to go ahead and do is I'm going to see the YouTube app right there. And that's it. It's now downloaded. It automatically opens as its own application with no URL, and you can just do whatever you want on it. But yeah, it's as simple as that. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe, and also be sure to check out all our other tutorials that we've been posting on the channel as well, because there is a lot to go through, and you might find something you didn't know about yet.